Hello, 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 my beautiful people. Hello, my lovely family. You're welcome to my program today. This is your girl, Faustina Ogoamaka Adeziagu International. That's my YouTube name. It's also my Facebook name, Adeziagu International. Please, guys, if today is the first day you're coming across my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Support your sister, support your girl, support your friend, and let's join hands and become one great family. Oh my God, who is coming here? Hello my people, hello my lovely people. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to my program today. This is your girl, your sister, and your friend Adeziagu International. My name is Faustina Ogoamaka. Guys, please let me quickly plead this particular thing that I know you guys know I always plead. Please, if today is the first day you're coming across my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and also press the notification bell. That will give you notification whenever I upload a new video. Today is a special edition. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, I've come in another way because I'm so excited. I'm so happy today, as you can see, and I'm so, like always, like as usual. Today, that's what I take come. I don't to get any important thing will bring me come. So, my dear people, I met a sister, a lovely sister, a friend, a YouTuber also in Nigeria. By name, her name is Lily Pope. Lily Pope, please, I'm sorry to mention your name in my video. Actually, I have to, but I'm sorry without that. I don't know. I'm sorry because I did not take permission from you, but I have to mention your name because I saw a sister in you. She's a very beautiful queen based in Awka, Nigeria. She's a YouTuber, she's a blogger, a lovely mother, and a wife. Lily Pope, I throw my salute, I drop my cap. I love you, eh? So my guys, I just watched her video today. I think she made that video today. I watched it on YouTube, and I was like, she gave like a homework. From her topic, she gave us homework. She gave people that watch the video homework. So I now said, let me quickly go and do my own homework. And I would like to be the first to submit my homework to her and make the best result out of it. So that is why I'm here now. I quickly run and finish what I'm doing in the house. Today is Saturday. So now I on my camera to do it. From her topic, the topic she treated today is where I'm taking my own topic because she gave us that topic as a homework. But I can't say as a challenge. It's not a challenge. Let's homework. If you say it's a challenge, it will be like no homework because she said go and do your own video and bring it to her. Send it to her so that she see. So Lily, I will do my own video and I'm going to forward it to you. So my friends, her topic, I wrote it down, I jotted it somewhere. Her topic today was all I hate. Hashtag I wish I can change. Hashtag unbelievable. In fact, I was like, when I watched that video, I was like, oh my God. You guys, you know the funny thing? The funny thing about this girl, from the very first day I set my eyes on her video on YouTube, I watched her video, I saw a lot of similarities on that girl that is about my own life. Some similarities, some things she talked about herself, most of those things, they all happened to me. Most of them happened to me. So this topic that she treated today also has been the topic oh my God, I don't know, has been the topic I've been planning on how to bring it out. But today I'm going to run the topic out of plan today because she still gave us the same topic as her homework. So I'm going to present my own homework today. I hope I will pass. So Lily Pope, Linda, my darling, I love you. Okay, I don't need to hide it. You are a nice girl with a heart of gold, which can be seen without even as in ejirugebo eyi ha gbanaka. So I saw some similarities between in the two of us, or in the both of us. You know, the grammar self too much for me sometimes. So she explained some of the things that she has in her body that she doesn't like. She wish she could be able to change, but at the end of everything, she loves everything because the God that created her and gave her all those things is not a stupid God. The God is not stupid. Our God knows why she gave you all those things. Bless you. And still I want to put Spanish again. And still upon that, she made you one of the most beautiful women on earth. You know. So likewise, me, I'm going to throw out to you guys here most things that are in my body that I don't like, and I never liked. Though I'm loving them now, you know. I never liked them before. I wish I could change them. If I'm the one that created myself, I wouldn't have given myself such things. But finally, I started rocking myself the way I am. Rocking it and rocking, super rocking, loving it. I started loving myself. Sometimes, even if you go to my Facebook, I think one of my topics, one of my pages in Facebook is love yourself. Because there was a time I'm like, oh my God, why am I like this? Others are like that. So sometimes I'm like having this talking down on my own self, as in humiliating my own personal self, because including the ones that people have been humiliating me outside because of one thing or the other that God created me with. But now I have said no. I have rejected those humiliation. I have rejected those talking down or even on my own self, and then I have now rose again. I have stood by my 2 feet on the floor, and I now realize that I'm a queen. I am a queen. My mother is a queen mother. I am a queen. So guys, let me start with the first annoying thing I don't like in my body, which today, as I'm talking to you today, finally I started loving myself the way I am. You know, because that God that created me in that way is not stupid. God knows why, and he because let's think about it. God created us in his own image and likeness. So what do you think? Do you get it? God has created human being in his own image and likeness. So don't think that God is created you like that because he doesn't love you. You are his image, you are his likeness, the same thing. Just that God is a superior, spiritual, and the omnipotent, omnipresent, omniscience, omnitodo. Omnitodo, omni everything. That's what I mean. So my guys, when I was growing up, my teenager, when I was 18, my teenage years, when I was 18, a teenager, yeah. If you shape for Tina, waka. If you flat tummy, if you ike the kugu, ugoyama. Ogoyama ya ka ogwu making here. Kedu kan nuku na Enugu Enugu East by na So my name mechakata. As time goes, when I got married, I had my first issue, Mochanwa with CS. You know, I'm on more with CS. My 2 kids, I gave birth to my 2 kids with CS. So much I want to get home here now for because I know my pass on mama be home mobile. And where money I know they can me here now for nobody. And not only that, CS mama so happy for me can me open an for. Nke go dey ke gwa ato nnokata manager she kan ke egwu na adu na make buko owem. So I left everything. And not only that, I have this boasty shooted at Otubo shoot out. So that's one at Otubo and the one child, the first child, or did you go that home maybe? Say, where's Miss Bo shape on her for? And where's that flat some here? With Rumbende. Now, warrior. One came, the same CS, so took na for she joke for that. So the doctors know Kahoma, Nande Cheba, one come ready work for my own good and for the good of the baby. So that Nama Bajio Bajaka or a doctor, my didn't want or whatsoever. I can't remember. So one took it to Kunafo. The second child. The first one, Bunas, no, we waiting, no. Then the second one, they took it to Kunafo. Say, Kufute, Haikufte. I can't have a henji birikita, you know. So, Ihana ba Otubo and the Jim CS one way cares with her food. They go, then our home can be good. Okay, you can be here. You can be here, we can there. Just look at me. You know, Jim, I have for now, be here, you know. So, they're going to get back for well, that's a good no shape again now for. Manike, Ike Kamuka dead. Chineke. So, okay, so after my behavior, I should come change you when change you from come wear flat stomach. But I can't. I love myself. Self-love is my problem. In my virus, Jamaica, when coronavirus and the man will in Jesus' name. Here web virus of self-love. I too love myself. So, kaha gakwa nka for ega. When I get course, yeah, I'm with CS. Then when my Otubo. At Otubo has now was long as I Otubo, then I went to car from Banime. Yet I also come name. So he gave them control fat, which I may eat just little food to control the fat. You understand? The second thing, now I'm going to teach show more again. Who the grand for the car? And so the car is Chineke nne imi mba akwụkwọ mpoto imi vaccine because my people no when you wanna video na almost gonna I hear my darling sister Lily Pope, Sister Linda, I heard me this morning be to mama or me will provoke them, I have to come out with my own video. So my nose is there. My goodness. Look at the now jump. Can do people do me in cash? What you go do? Eh? You see, she can me and come, but Saturday kike or Friday. Never did I. Akwụkwọ ede. Akwụkwọ mpoto. Or vox to a journey get you compare. I'll week. And that doesn't know what I if was him in the Jesus Christ or Ugu mountain hill. Even not our pointed Nigerian word pointed nose. If you would die, people do be pointed means nose. But can you get me? I started loving my nose. As long as I use and they breathe air. On can you tell them now a nose mask, a face mask due to this coronavirus? That's my problem now. It doesn't fit on my nose. To be sincere, if I wear those masks, the thing will be sleepy. It will be coming out from my nose. At each time, I will be trying to hang it very well to fit it in. Could you believe that one day that I shop on that? I went to a sunglasses eyeglass shop where they sell designers glasses. So I wanted to buy a sunglasses during summer. So I want to buy one designer's Amazim for that design on chiga. I was testing the glasses, the sunglasses, testing it on my eyes, testing. So the man there, him no the fit him. But na fair no fit him, not like here. No hook with my nose. But that it looking okay, I love it. No, now come manager. Na okay, fit in my nose. No, don't women wear not need the Caron special sunglasses. They hook to my nose. Because was there me here? Was there would me for Stina or Gamaka Mwezena that will need a special oh let's say I got customized sunglasses to fit on my nose. You have a problem. Because I've been wearing glasses all my life. I've been wearing sunglasses. I have so many different of glasses that I put on. Spec, na eyeglass. Get one version in me. I use empty on the feet. I wish na Kenji pocket. Or na my room. Kenji pocket. I have bataka in my room. On the feet. So this man sim na. Ndocha dagarega. Na shop where you get buy a different designs. So show na customer that his customer is here to patronize him to buy glasses. He didn't even try to, try to preach me, to choose one. He told me I should forget everything here, that I need a customized eyeglass because of my nose. That can't I see that the eyeglass is not hooking up. So my dear, that is not part 2. Not part 2, my nose. How I wish that number can warn me. But I can't choose this but a pointed nose. See at Monka. Daddy, Papa, now this one I want. I don't want that one. I don't want this one. Give me that pointed nose right they see there. Put them for here. But all the same, I love myself. I love my nose. I use it to breathe. I use it to do whatever that you can do with that your own pointed nose. So please, there's no room for body shaming. For me, there's no room for body shaming at all. I hate people that body shame somebody. When you body shame on mad, in fact, hey, let us always remember that God created us in his own image and likeness. So if you see the love of God in your friend, see the beauty of God in your friend, see the image of God in your neighbor or your friend, don't body shame. Don't body shame. I don't do that. I don't like it. So, hey. Join me, husband. The next one. I want this video to be very short, but I can see it's no longer getting short. I'll try my best to do it. Another one where Borono. Hey, I love my eyes, I love my ears, I love my forehead, I love my cheek, I love my jaw. Jaw. Spain. In Spain with my husband and my kids. Now my problem the major problem I encounter here, I face here since I came to Spain is my lips. My lips. Because they're going to these lips. Very sexy and succulent. Very romantic lips. My lips. First of all, the first year after Candy, my first son, June gynecology. So the woman click at them only lip gloss, white lip gloss, as in transparent lip gloss can't turn on. And then the men Josh and if I'm pregnant, you come and see ugly. Come and see ugly. My lips will be double times 2. So I don't even mind. Who cares? So I just applied the lip gloss, a plain color. you know. So the gynecologist was like a woman. She was like telling my husband in Spanish, because in those days I don't understand Spanish. I don't even speak. So only I see them na mero. I said no na mero na ke ha na me plastic surgery na my lips. Na ntinye collagen. Okay, collagen. Okay, no. Okay, what's na me? Collagen. What is na me? As in plastic surgery. Na je add their lips to my lips. She dim ke kan kan na je add their lips to my lips. Ke di masin na mama ndocha dey we lips. Na hana like oye we lips. They can kiss, they can kiss like crazy people. No mature lips, so why? What you can say about full lips, this girl? And then boy, I have full lips. And that's not much never surgery. I remember or collagen. Must be up what's Nancy? Yeah, I tell you. Se a lo cliente, eu sempre sou ali dizendo, eu sempre hey, não é louco, sempre que suerte, how lucky, não é louco, não é lips man, lips man, the white in Nigeria, lips man they won't be because all the too big, and not only all the too big, all the dark is very dark and thick. I don't like it, but finally my sister, if I tell you now, I did leaves there. If you got the head, shine. If I shine, I'm finished. No, Oyacha began to fall in love with my lips. So me plastic surgery on my lips. Me collagen. Mama collagen. Mama. So I was like, no, okay, we left after that day. Could you believe that since I am in this country, my dear, people embarrass me. People embarrass me over my lips. Ask me how. If I'm just going on my own way, Oyibo people will be begging me to give them cigar, to give them Indian hair, to give them cigar, or to give them lighter. If I'd be walking on my way, they will call me, please, chica, girl, please, can you give me your lighter? Let me light my cigarette. I'll be like, what? I don't have lighter, I don't smoke. Really? You don't smoke? Huh? They will like, nah. Me and Kito. I will be like, oh my God, what is going on? Now, look the next time, a man or a woman or a young lady or a young guy, they will still stop me. Please, my sister, hello, chica, por favor, can you me puedes dar un cigarrillo, por favor? I will like, ¿qué? Es que no fumo. Es que yo no fumo, nunca he fumado en mi vida. Es que nunca he fumado en mi vida, oye. Es que coño, ¿cómo que nunca fumaste? Pero tienes labios así. I will be like, cigar no, you know, in our place they sell cigarettes 1 or 2, one stick, 2 sticks, 3, depending on the number that you can afford. But here they sell cigarettes in packets. If you want to buy a cigar, just buy the packet. They don't say 1 or 2. So they believe that everybody that smokes have his or her own packet in the bag. So they will stop me like, please, can you dash me 1 cigarette? Can you give me cigarette? I say, I don't smoke, I don't have cigarettes. Haba, this thing has been embarrassing to me. Then one day I have to ask my husband, I told my husband, Daddy, please, why is it that every time people ask me to give them cigarettes or to give them lighter or to give them the wrap, there's a particular cigarettes, I don't know what, or Indian herb, I don't know, Indian herb, they wrap it. If you buy it, you put it in a paper. There's this paper they use. They wrap it. After wrapping, they light it and smoke. They'll be asking me for that on my own way. Where they go? Maybe I'm coming back from school or I'm going to work. Wherever I'm going from, they'll be asking me cigar. You know what my husband asked me? My husband then finished me up. He told me, so they're asking you cigar. What do you used to tell them? I said, I don't smoke. Oh. He said they will not believe, they will never believe me that I don't smoke. I said, Daddy, why? Why would they believe me that I don't smoke? He said, so you don't watch this your lips in the mirror. I said, my lips? He said, so you don't know that your lips is like almost cigar. The man don't get the corner and cigar. When I'm Igbo, Emaho. You say, I'm what? Get the corner, she did corner and cigar, when I'm Igbo. My husband now told me that no more the corner Igbo. My lips will run on the corner Igbo on the figure. I said, Daddy, how now? He said, that's him. He has been in this country for more than 20 years. He has been in this country for more than 20 years. That never, that's nunca. Never, nunca is never. That never has anybody, any man or woman, ask him for cigar or for lighter or for the wrap. Then why me that just came here the other day? People are just stopping me by to ask me for cigar or for lighter or for the wrap of cigarettes. So, he said, Daddy, so you mean, oh no, this is the corner Igbo, na so na Igbo. I said, no, that's so called na Igbo. The master that he like it now. No, board on Dutcha, on the for the garbage, came away, he got me chatter. No, cheap party. You should buy the lips. so put yourself. Oh, just idea. You will compliment. So I'm like, okay, since then, it's okay. Because normally, or seem that I'm not sure something get me my mouth, my lips. Because I feel it's not dark. No dark na di me ha je chira na anwu Igbo ma na anwu cigar eja na mbete. So since then I now started to be applying anything that is bright in color that will brighten my lips, make my lips look soft and succulent. Succulent, but it's only succulent for me and my oga here, or not for any other person, you know. So that was my journey with my lips. No, these lips, since then I became in love with my lips. If I just put all these things, But guys, do you know one thing I don't like about these lips? I love these lips, but there's one particular thing that makes me to be thrown off balance. Guys, I like red lipsticks. It's a red lipstick. God. I like it when I see it on people. But this my lips, my sister. Even if I buy red lipstick that's engaged no matter how red it will be, if I apply it on my lips, it will change the color of that lipstick on my lips. The lipstick will now become purple on my lips. If I run red lipstick on my lips, the thickness of my lips and the darkness of the color of my lips will change red lipstick to purple or mauve. Let me say mauve. I don't know how to mix colors to be able to have red on my lips. I never have red lipstick, pure red. The red or pure red. Any type of if you come to my house, I buy red lipsticks. I buy. If I buy coming home to test it, it will change color on my lips. So that's the only annoying thing I have with my lips. That's my problem. But if not, if I apply any other thing, any other color, especially put something that makes it brilliant, bright, no, not brilliant in Spanish. Anything that will make it to be shining. Or the succulent. Or the cosy maybe. That's the challenges I have. Another thing, my breast anyway. My breast, lily pop, my breast is just normal. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's just normal. Or the kachia sick, well packaged, normal, no. So that I don't have problem with my breast. So another embarrassing things I encounter, especially in Nigeria. The last time I came to Nigeria, December 2018, I traveled down home to Nigeria. Nandi Nigeria na embarrassing, but not even withstanding that if you are married or no, they don't. Maybe okay, because I wear trousers in Nigeria, maybe they see any girl, any woman that is putting on trousers, they see the person as a single woman. They don't respect. They embarrass. I'm sorry for saying that. My wedding ring, like here, I don't normally wear it. Sometimes I feel uncomfortable. I'll just remove them and keep. So the same thing happened to me in Nigeria. I forgot putting on. Sometimes I forget putting on my wedding rings on my finger, and I'll go out. People embarrassed me a lot, not respecting my marital status, because maybe they've looked on my fingers, they didn't see anything. So why I'm saying that is coming to my waist, my bum, my hip, my waist, my bum, my hip now, padded. Padded. You know that motto they used to call padded in those days in Nigeria, padded. Yeah, it's padded. So sometimes I go just higher up. I will just anyway. Oh God, I don't know what it's been in me. It's been in me. That's my problem. My mother has been beating me when I was small. Come on, put it again. What's your problem? Bring that. I say, Mama, what is it now? How did I bakari cane? I did not bakari cane. That's how I am. That's me. And sometimes I will go and stand on the mirror, be thinking and be watching myself. How do I normally bakari cane? Everybody is complaining. My mom is complaining that nobody can. Me, I don't really know kanzibaki. Maybe it's my nature. Maybe it's how God created me. I don't know. But my mother used to beat me. Nobody man. But now I come to realize that my bum is high. It is at the high side. So in Nigeria, when I come to market, or where the main market, if I'm buying something or if I'm passing by, all these market people or the Okada, the Keke people, they will be like, this one you don't even need pillow. You don't even need pillow to support. This one is confirmed, my size. This one is padded. I felt so embarrassed because I'm a married woman. I don't think I need those kinds of compliments with my status now. Not only that I'm a married woman, I'm a mother of 2 wonderful kids, wonderful sons, and not only that, I respect my husband a lot. So I wouldn't like to be forget that I'm cracking jokes. It's all jokes. They're all jokes. So a lot of those unworthy compliments, yeah. Ndị Okada, ndị na ya azụ afịa n'ime afịa, ndị mogondi ndị afịa, they will be like, ukwu nwa nke a. Could you imagine that the day I was buying what was the day I was buying some what? I was buying Ghana Must Go. That I used to put my foodstuffs that I will come back with here. My crayfish or all those stuffs now. The day I was buying the Ghana Must Go that I will use to come back here. The guy that I was buying it was just making some murmurings, some talk. I don't want to speak. I don't want to speak Igbo to them, so they never knew I understand Igbo. So the guy was like, hey, I was like, please, I want this, please, can you give me this? I don't want to. That was what that guy was actually telling me. Hey, I was like, I didn't even know, behave as if I understand what he was speaking. I just pretended I'm not hearing him. I'm not understanding what he was saying. Guys, so see this hair. I said, I'm plate am by myself. Oh. I had lockdown there, but the lockdown has made me started plaiting my hair by my own self in my house. So, guys, I'm going to end this video. Those are the things I would like to change in my body, but yeah, no, I don't want to change anything now. Had it been it was before, I would have, but now I don't want to change anything. Another thing is, I wanted to open 2 years when I was in Nigeria, when I was single. But this will be a story of another day. I will tell you guys what happened. My fears of do or don't. My do and don't about opening the second, piercing my ear, the second one. My ear is very soft now. Look at how soft it is. Why? What's happening? So guys, I'm going to end this video. I never intended to make it a long video. Please, my brothers and my sisters, my lovely family, my lovely friends, please join Adeziago International. Please subscribe. Please like, share, and show your sister some love. If you love this video, please consider sharing it. Share it. Share them. Now, I'm going to share it to my lovely sister, Linda Lily Pope. I don't know how I come to that. I just love that girl. Linda, I love you. I don't know. I just love her. You are, no, you know what? You are just yourself. You are who you are. Transparent. Honesty. Yourself. You're just being yourself. That's what I like, and that's what I like in my own life. I am myself. I love myself. I don't fake life. I don't fake things. I don't like telling lies. I like being myself. So it's like spirit seeing spirit, soul catching soul. I just saw you. I saw everything about you. I'm like, I have to compliment. I don't have to keep it, the compliment in me. I have to send it out to you. You are one of the amazing girls I've seen in YouTube. Being an Igbo original girl. Linda, please, I would like to know where you come from. I would like to know if you are living in Oka. I would like to know if you are in Enugu State, because your accent sounds me like Enugu. So I would really like to know if you are from Enugu, and I would like to know the parts in Enugu. We have a lot of things to do together. Guys, I love you all. I love you. I love you. I love you all. Guys, I'm going to end this video. I love you guys. I love you all. I love you all. Please consider to support your sister. Consider to build your sister. Consider, without you guys, I am nothing. I can't be able to do without you guys. I can't be able to move without you guys. I can't be able to establish without you guys. Please consider showing love. Consider sharing my videos. Consider subscribing, consider liking and loving, and contact with me if you have any lesson to teach me on how to upgrade. Yes, on how to upgrade, on how to build this channel. Please, the doors for corrections and learning, the doors are open. Okay, thank you guys. I love you guys. Stay loved, stay blessed, and stay safe. This coronavirus is not going to be the portion of any of you, in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. I need to go and drink water, guys. Bye. Thank you.